We're back at 6:43 now. A recent poll claims nearly half of people who have auto insurance report an increase in premiums. A local insurance agent says actually that number is higher.
Our Zach Lashway is talking with industry experts about ways to cut those premium costs without lowering your coverage.
Right now, some 20% of Texas drivers are uninsured. Texans with insurance pay almost $900 million a year protecting themselves from these people, according to Texas Department of Motor Vehicles.
Our local area here in Houston, lots of people do drive without insurance.
Jessica Fuentes with Brazos Insurance says this is a contributing factor to why more than half of all drivers have seen an increase on their auto insurance premiums. William Davis, a State Farm insurance agent, agrees.
I would say between 65 and 70% of our customers.
Davis says people have seen a premium increase because of inflation and pandemic and post-pandemic habits.
People were not driving, so between the rebate that we gave them as well as lowering premiums across every state, but now as we always aim to match price with risk, people are getting out on the road again, be it for work or travel for vacation, and premiums had to gradually increase as a function of that.
Do you suspect premiums will continue to rise?
The Consumer Price Index, which is the general gauge of inflation, has been coming off over the past 4 months. So if that continues to go down, then perhaps the price to procure workers as well as parts might come off.
So how can you cut your costs without cutting your coverage?
First thing is just keep a clear record. And secondly, just speak to your agent, because we have a multitude of discounts that we can offer you.
Depending on the insurance company will depend on the discounts, but many offer reductions for young drivers, those who participate in driving courses and defensive driving courses, good grades for students, and bundling more than one policy like homeowners, renters, life, or business through the same insurance company.
One of our biggest discounts is our Drive Safe and Save program. It monitors your driving habits. I mean, the biggest input is miles traveled on a 6-month basis, but we also look at your accelerating, braking, cornering, etc. You initially get a 10% discount on that one, but it can go up to 50% when you re-rate every 6 months.
The more responsible of a driver you are, the more you can save with this program.
So a question I'm getting from viewers, could that program increase your rate? Davis says it could, but the asymmetry is favorable to you. I asked if the information collected from this device is shared with other insurance companies. Davis said no. While it might be worth shopping around, another way you might be able to save a few bucks is by being a loyal customer. Some insurance companies offer savings for the years you've been a client of theirs. Again, it all starts with being a good driver and then having that conversation with your agent.
Yeah, and making sure you pick and choose what you need specifically that's tailored to you and your family.
Yes, absolutely.
Good advice.
Good stuff.
Zach, thank you.